Hi guys, today we eat carrot cake. So we already ate a half of them because we were so hungry. And now this is what we have. Okay, let's enjoy it. That's one. Okay, this is her side, this is my side.
ஒண்ணுதான் வாங்கின ஒண்ணுதான் இருந்துச்சு போ இது ஒன்னோடதான் ஆமா நான் அதை ஐஸ் பண்ண வைக்க சொன்னேன் நல்லா இருக்குதா
Why you copy me? I'm gonna put this in my head. How did it get in my head? Enough? Enough. I'm already enough already. You're the one who never eat. I eat finish already. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoy this video, please give a like. Please give a like and a comment what's your favorite food, and we would